Good morning students, this is Amit Tiwari, your economics teacher. Students, in previous video we have discussed about the different causes of poverty in India. We have discussed that underdevelopment of Indian economy is one of the major cause of poverty in India. And in today's video we will discuss yet another cause of poverty in India, and that cause is unequal distribution of income. So let us start. So students, unequal distribution of income is yet another major cause of poverty in India. Though government has been making so many efforts to combat the poverty just by implementing the progressive taxation system in India and other measures, still the poverty in India is compounding itself day by day. The poverty is not coming down as per the expectations. Students, according to the report of NCAER, reports of NCAER 2009-10, around 20% of the total population, means 20% of total population, appropriates or accounts to 53.2% of total income generated in the country, and 40% of the total population, 40% of total population comes to only 15.3% of total income generated in the country. So you can see the disparity with respect to the distribution of income in India. Around 20% of the total population is having more than 50% of the total income generated in India, and 40% of the total population is having only 15.3% of the total income which is generated in a fiscal year in India. So this is showing the disparity in the distribution of income among people. According to Monopoly Inquiry Commission, around 1,536 companies are controlled by only 75 families of the country. सिर्फ और सिर्फ 75 families मिलके अराउंड 1,536 कंपनीज को कंट्रोल करती है. दिस इज ऑल्सो शोइंग द अनइक्वल distribution of income in India. So this unequal distribution of income in India is not only reflecting the poverty in India, but also points towards the increasing gulf between rich and poor. The rich are getting richer and the poor are becoming more and more poor, and this gulf is widening is compounding day by day. With the huge stock of wealth, the wealthy people are getting wealthier, and just because of lack of basic amenities in the poor people is struggling for their survival. Still, government is taking so many efforts, measures to combat the poverty in India. So this is for today, and the rest part of this chapter we will try to cover in our next video. Till then, have a good day.